Nasser Fahmy, who is taking care of telecommunications.
So we added the users first in the Active Directory.
Then we have Mr. Amir Sohail.
Salah.
Amir Salah, who is taking care of government department.
Yeah.
Then we have Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. AB, who is taking care for general business.
Yeah. Now we are adding the users in the CRM. Before that we added them in the Active Directory.
Yeah. It's on service department, save and close. Now I have to assign powers to the managers.
Okay, so let's have a look
AB.
at this. Okay.
Yeah, Mr. AB, you will see he's not having any security role.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So he's the sales manager. Mr.
Okay.
AB is the sales
for
manager.
what sector? He's a sales manager as far as security.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sales manager, clicking OK. Let's move to next. Then we have Mr. Adil Ibrahim, who's the sales manager for financial services. So security roles, we are assigning sales manager once again.
Yes.
Then we have Mr. Amir Salah.
Yeah, he's the sales manager also for government.
Okay, he's the sales manager for Amir Salah. Here is government.
Yeah.
So again, he's the sales manager. So we are assigning it's a marketing manager.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Then we have
Kuldeep.
Mr. Financial Services, then Financial Services.
No, the services manager.
Then I can move to Kuldeep Singh, who is taking care of
Services department, yes.
So he's a service manager, we can specify over there. If it's not available, yeah, customer service relationship manager.
Yes.
From the right now.
This is important. After you add this, do it again, please.
Yeah.
You highlight all.
Just click and you'll just click on
approve email, so they can. This is for email router or just for email?
Yeah, this is for email router, so they can send or receive emails.
Even if it's not.
Even if it's not
here.
Yeah.
Okay. Doesn't have to be Outlook.
Right.
Okay.
These we have configured the users.
Yes.
Right. You can pause it now. Okay. Now we are specifying the security roles for financial services department.
Okay.
What they can do or what they can't do.
Okay.
So let's move to financial services department. And under the financial services BU, you are having a salesperson role.
Okay.
And the parent BU is financial services.
Yes.
Let's make a look. And these are the inherited roles.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So as you know that if you are modifying over here, it will not get affected. It will get affected under the parent, right?
Under.
So let's do one thing. If you will see, if I'm denying the delete access.
Yes.
In the salesperson role under the financial services BU.
Okay.
Right. I'm just.
If it's inherited, you start from the top or the bottom?
Yeah, I'm started from the top. Okay. But as you can see, you can't save this one.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
That means if you want to modify, you have to modify on the upper BU, which is in the Ijada.
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
But if I will revoke the delete permissions from the upper managers, departmental managers, then how they will do that particular stuff, right?
Yes.
So for that particular thing, very good option is, let's move to financial services over here, and you have the salesperson.
Okay.
And let's copy the role. And I'm saying he is a sales representative for financial services.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And when the role will get created, then let's move to core record, and I'm saying this person cannot delete anything. Right? This person cannot delete anything.
Okay.
And the read permission for everything, I'm set it to the user level. He can read the things only at the user level.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So let's save and close.
This is a copy of
the major salesperson role.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Now, if you will see.
And the reason we copied is what?
Because I want to decrease the power of the users. Now, if you will see, you have the users here, which are financial services 1, financial services 2, right?
Yes.
So if you will open that one, the security role has by default removed it from here.
Yes.
because you have the salesperson for financial services.
Yeah.
I don't want this. So click on manage role. I don't want this actually. I want sales rep for financial services.
The one that our own. So we don't change in the system.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's save and close.
In this case, at some point of time, you can make a senior sales.
Yeah. You can
okay.
Yeah.
And add more power.
So let's manage the role. We don't want salesperson. We want to give us the less privileges.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So that's the first process, and same process we can do for all the other departments.
Okay, understood.
Right?
So instead of modifying in the system record, we take a copy of the profile. And then we name it, and we do whatever we do.
Whatever you want, right?
Okay.
That's exactly the first case.
Okay. Pause now.
Yeah.